what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a guest here on my channel. Emily, she's supposed to be babysitting, but she's just laughs a lot. So, warning, I might laugh a lot. And she might laugh and she'll fall down to the ground. Because last time she babysitted me, but she kind of didn't babysit me. She made a mess. And she took marshmallows and she melted them in the microwave and put coconut oil. And we tried to make it. And then we almost ruined the bowl, but we cleaned it up.
Hey, but it was yummy.
Yeah. It was yummy. And so we couldn't get it off. It like dried. And so today I'm going to be showing you how to make the fluffiest slime ever. Like, look at this. How amazing.
If you could touch it, it's amazing.
Like, yeah, if you could, it's just amazing. Like seriously, like, right, Emily?
Yep.
The camera's pointing at you. Did you know that? She's so funny. Okay, I have crack on my feet. Like, look at that. Okay, so yeah. And so now we're gonna show you how to make it. It's like literally the best slime ever. Like, if you guys could fill it, it would be amazing. But you're gonna get to fill it in a second. Now what you're gonna need is, I'm going into my pantry. You're gonna need one thing of glue. Yeah, you were supposed to make the borax mixture. Make it! Yeah, just put water in this cup and then take a spoonful of borax and put it in. Okay, so she's gonna make the borax mixture. Where did the bowl go? Oh.
Right there.
I'm sorry.
Duh.
Okay, so let's see how we can set up this. A spoonful of borax in there, okay? See, this is good? Yep. Good.
I need to get...
Oh, yeah, fine. Just do it. He's so funny.
You're the funny one.
Yes. No, I'm not.
You.
Just put it in there. He doesn't know how to make slime. I do. No, you don't. You don't. You never make slime. Your dad won't let you get a dog because he wants it to be a hunting dog.
Hey, your mom won't let you get a dog either.
Yeah, because my dad says he can, but
Whatever.
now mix that up right now. She's just like so crazy. Like, I'm sorry, this video is like a little bit funny. Oh no, the phone fell. I'm sorry. Give me a break. YouTubers need breaks. She just doesn't know how to make slime, does she? So pour, like, your whole thing of glue in. It's, like, really. But today, I went to this dance studio place. And I forgot to say, happy Saturday. I love Saturdays. Because, like, they're just amazing. Like, no, quit mixing the bricks. You don't have to mix it that long.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Now what you're gonna do is fill up the cup with shaving cream. She did that because it was just clear. I'm sorry that this video is so long. It's her fault. Now we're gonna... There's different ones. We're pouring this because she doesn't know how to.
No, this one's not working.
Well, duh. There's different ones. You're just crazy. To be continued. The shaving cream is taking forever. Okay, I'm like waiting for her. There's slime all over my hands. Like, I'm like waiting for her, and like the glue's gone, and that means she's going too slow. Like, seriously, you So pour all of that in. It's liquidy. And then get another cup of it. I cannot. Oh, wow. She's like, seriously? She whines to babysit me.
No, I don't. You're
She
just
doesn't-
making that crap up.
No, she doesn't like babysitting me.
When did I ever say that?
John and whatever. John and Jamie, your
You can't
little
even think of
girl
my
doesn't
parents'
like to. Your girl doesn't like to babysit me.
You
You're gross.
are going to get it. Yes.
No. Okay, I don't care. There doesn't have to. She put shaving cream on my nose.
And
Stop
on your
it!
hand.
Don't put it on my shirt. It's not gonna.
Fine.
Then just mix it up. This one's not as fluffy. That means you're doing a bad
Because
job.
there's no more shaving cream.
Ugh, who cares? It has to be fluffy. Now add the contact solution. Look at this. It's gonna come together. 500. Put it in the bowl. If this is never gonna come together, I'm blaming it on you.
Hey, at least this one was a total success.
Because I made it.
No, I got most of the credit, thank you.
Okay, comment down below who makes better slimes, me or Emily. If I win, then I will do a giveaway. If she wins, then I will quit YouTubing. So,
Oh, how rude.
well, maybe. So,
That's so sad to all of your fans.
yeah, I know, but still. I am gonna tell Emily that I am going to write a song. And I actually already written my slime song. I almost said slime. It's like awesome. And then, hey, guess what? We only added contact solution and it's like already needed. Now you need to put the borax mixture in.
What about this shaving cream that I just spent forever working on?
Just put it in. She's just creepy. She's creeping me out. Okay, now put it in the borax. The slime is almost, guys, like,
Hey,
just
you.
put it in. Just pour it in. Oh, all of it. I didn't say all of it.
I figured you'd want me to.
Now it's like clumpy. Now it has borax in it.
It's supposed to have
It
borax.
wasn't mixed so
Okay,
good.
watch
It wasn't
this.
even mixed.
Watch this. This is how it started out
Look.
with the other one. Okay, I got this.
No, you don't.
Yeah,
You
I
never
do.
got this. Ah! My hands are all slimy. Hey, guess what? We forgot to add the foaming hand wash.
Hmm? Should we-
Rewind, guys.
we need-
Rewind
okay,
back the video and see if I told her to mix it or not mix it. I swear I told her to keep on mixing it and not stop mixing it. I told her to.
The borax?
Yeah.
You told me to stop mixing it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Now there's like borax all over my hands, and it's your fault. 'Cause I put you in charge of the borax.
Yeah, well, you're like, oh, you don't have to mix it that much for that long.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
These guys watch.
Oh. Ow.
That did not hurt.
I know.
She was just. You need more borax solution.
No, I do not.
Look, there's leftover borax in this. Look, she didn't mix this as well. Like, look at that. That's extra borax, guys.
Okay, then put it on here if you're so...
No!
Yeah.
Oh, Emily,
What?
that was stuck to that paper towel.
That's not a paper towel.
whatever it's called. A towel, paper towel, they're almost the same thing. So this is how your slime should turn out.
And this is almost like that because it's starting to knead the way it's supposed to. I told you.
You're not the reason why you're here. I just wanted to play with you. I don't need for you to babysit me. Because I babysitted Ison once. Remember when you were hiding in that spot so long? I'm like, Emily, I'm not playing anymore. And then I just took him.
Well, because here's what happened. Ison got mad because he couldn't find me, and so did you.
No, I didn't.
So I thought it would be funny to come out, and then you're like, oh, you're it. What the heck are you doing?
I'm making this a bubble butt.
Bubble butt?
No, bubble butt. That's what we call my brother all the time, Bubba.
Ooh, I have an idea to
What?
fix this.
No, show them this. Show them. Watch. Look at this. Oh no, there's something on there. Sorry. My screen lock is like, look at this. This is the slime that we made.
This is the one that's to be continued.
To be continued. Look at this, guys.
I have an idea.
An amazing little fluffy ball. I love it. I love it. I love it. You guys should download the app Musical.ly. It's just an awesome app. Because Emily here is a bad babysitter. So, like,
Who said?
where's the... It's in there.
It's supposed to be, yeah, because it's helping it. See?
Yeah, it's called the grip.
No, it's not that.
Yeah. Ninjago?
And that's Ison for you guys.
Yep.
Is that where you cut the food?
Ninja. Fruit Ninja?
Yeah, we'll play that.
Yeah, we'll play that. You're so cute.
You can't.
You just sliced fruit. It's amazing. Only if you have an Xbox One.
It's the one when the fruit flies up and you have to chop it up.
Yeah.
I bet you have to use your finger.
Okay, I think it needs more glue. Put just a little bit more glue in this.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Just a tiny bit more.
The TV has the red dot on it.
Look, it's not coming out. Haley.
Don't. And now it's coming out.
I put it on her hands.
Yeah, because you're almost turned. I think what we're missing is some
Look at this.
shaving cream.
It's the best slime ever.
I know.
Oh, I know what to. So if you add lotion, then it's gonna make it better.
I don't know how to fix this one, just saying, guys.
Did you just say something rude about me?
No.
No, she said, I don't know how to fix this.
What kind of lotion is that?
It's coconut kind. It might change the color of this slime. It might look like a little bit more brownish, goldenish. The slime, like cream slime. Like this is what makes it cream slime.
It smells so good.
I know, it's coconut cream pie slime.
Sorry, I don't understand.
So guys, once you finish the borax and finish kneading it, it's gonna be a slime just like this. And then add lotion. Bye!